Hi everyone, today I want to recommend the best Esim for Hong Kong, and you can find the link to it in the description below the video. I've tried many other Esim apps and in my opinion this one is the best. Let me show you how easy it is to use. After you click the link you will be redirected to Google Play, iOS or on your desktop you will be redirected to app magazine, and here you need to download the app, open it and sign in. Once you've done that, if you use the link in the description of the video, you will get $7.5 bonuses, which is crazy a lot. So here we need to click on eSIM shop and find our desired country. In my case it will be Hong Kong, so click on Hong Kong, and here you need to find the best offer for you. I will use 15 gigabytes for 13 days. Click on buy now, and here I need to choose how much welcome bonuses I want to spend. I will spend all of it. Also I will click on enable international calls, and as you can see my welcome bonuses is $8. So click next, click on add a new card, buy now, and here you need to add your payment information. Once you've done that, you are ready to go and you can use your eSIM. So with competitive prices, excellent coverage and huge welcome bonus which you can get by using the link in the description, you will definitely like this app. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.